Audio Jungle.
Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada, TMMC, has started producing the top-selling Lexus NX and Lexus NX hybrid compact luxury SUVs for the North American market. The NX has been redesigned from the inside out. Every exterior surface has been reimagined. The signature spindle grille has been refined in the front. And, perhaps the most notable expression of future Lexus design is the elegant new block-letter Lexus rear badging and full-width tail lamp. Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada Incorporated, TMMC, manufactures the Toyota RAV4, RAV4 Hybrid, Lexus RX 350 and RX 450h and Lexus NX and NX Hybrid at 3 manufacturing facilities in Ontario. TMMC is the most awarded auto plant in the Americas and the second most awarded plant globally. It employs approximately 8,500 Canadians, has the capacity to produce more than 500,000 vehicles annually, and has been Canada's highest volume automotive manufacturer over the past 5 years. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.